In this video, I'm gonna take a live arbitrage opportunity that I'm taking right now on BYBIT and Binance. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
So the concept of arbitrage is all about buying an asset from one market where it's being sold at a lower price and then selling it to another market where it's being sold at a higher price. And in this case, we are using Binance and BYBIT exchange. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna take advantage of XRP. XRP is a cryptocurrency that is available on Binance and BYBIT, and I'll take the advantage of price difference of XRP because on BYBIT XRP is being sold at higher price and on Binance XRP is being sold at lower price. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna take a live trade showing you guys how to take advantage of crypto arbitrage and how I exactly make money simply by using crypto arbitrage. So let's just go straight right into it. Okay, so right here you can see that the price of XRP on Binance is being sold at 0.43 right here. Okay, and on BYBIT XRP is being sold at 0.46. okay, so in this case I'm gonna take advantage of XRP and USDT. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click where it's written trade right here like this. Okay, and it's gonna show me the dashboard of spot trading on Binance. Okay, and this is spot trading dashboard, and this is classic spot trading dashboard. If you want advanced dashboard, then you're simply gonna go ahead and click where it's written trade like this and click spot advanced tool right here. Okay, and if I click right there, it's gonna show me advanced spot trading. Okay, and this is what I like to use because it's simple and it's actually cool. So right now we are looking at BTC USDT and we want to take advantage of XRP USDT. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead to where it's written USDT right here and look for XRP. Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll down or simply search right here. Oh, BTC is pumping, that's crazy. So search right here where it's written search. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search XRP. Okay, and boom, right here XRP USDT, and if I click right there, it's gonna show me XRP USDT pair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spend the available balance that I have in my wallet. You can see that right here I have 100 USDT. Okay, so I'm just gonna spend all of it and buy XRP worth of $100. Okay, like this, and I'm just gonna set a limit order. I'm not using market order right now because I don't want to pay a lot of fees. As you know that crypto arbitrage is all about taking advantage of price difference. So in this case we don't want to spend a lot of money, and that's why I'm using a limit order. Okay, so I'm gonna spend $100 right here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna set a limit order right now just below the current price right here. Okay, and boom, and click buy. Okay, so you can see that right here it says your order has been created and my order is in the order book waiting to be filled, and oh, it has been filled already. So that was quick, and right now you can see that I have 229 worth of XRP. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything, and at the end I'll show you something very special for you heavy crypto community. Okay, so right now we have XRP in our wallet and we're gonna send it to BYBIT and sell it there at higher price. As you can see right here, I bought XRP at 0.43 US dollars. Okay, which is like 43 cents. All right, so I'm gonna send this 229 worth of XRP to BYBIT and sell it there at high price, and you're gonna see how much I'm making on this trade. All right, and I'll show you how exactly you can repeat this process and make passive income. Okay, so for you to send XRP is kind of tricky because they're gonna ask you to put a memo and stuff like that. So many people don't know about these memos and stuff like that, and in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly you can send XRP to an exchange without losing money and stuff like that. So you're simply gonna go ahead to where it's written wallet right here. Okay, and click fiat and deposit or overview, but I prefer fiat and spot right here. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead to where it's written withdraw right here, because we want to withdraw and send this cash to Bybit, and we're gonna sell it there at higher price. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click where it's written withdraw like this, and it's gonna ask me to put the wallet address and the memo. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna go ahead and click got it like this, and go to Bybit right now, and this is Bybit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click right here and click deposit. Okay, so just gonna load up and stuff like that. Okay, so right here you can see that this is BTC address, and in this case I want to deposit XRP. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click where it's written XRP like this, and they're gonna provide me with XRP address. Okay, so right now this is XRP address. I'm just gonna go ahead and click acknowledge like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy like this, and where it says copied, and go back to Binance, and then I have to put this address right here. So I'm just gonna paste it like this, and confirm. They were telling me that I should make sure that this is XRP chain network. Okay, so yeah, this is XRP, don't get it twisted right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and again and copy the tag. The tag is very important because they're gonna need this tag to know where the money is going. Okay, so the tag is very important. Some other exchanges call it memo, but then on Binance they call it a tag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy like this and go back to Binance and paste the tag right here. You can see that right on Binance is written memo right here, but then on Bybit it says tag. Okay, so it's the same thing right here. So let's paste the tag right here like this, and you can see that I have 229 worth of XRP, and this is the XRP that I'm going to send on Bybit and sell it at high price, and you're gonna see how much I'm making. In this case, XRP is very fast. It doesn't take time to reflect in your wallet and stuff like that. So that's why I'm taking advantage of XRP right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click max right here, and you can see that in this case I'm gonna receive 229.57 worth of XRP, and we are paying almost 0.2 XRP for network fee. Okay, so this is less than let's say $1 or so. Okay, so this is it. Click the max, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click withdraw right here. Okay, so in this case it's gonna ask me to put my security stuff and stuff like that. So
a few moments later,
so right here you can see that we have successfully sent our XRP to Bybit, and here's the withdrawal details. You can see we sent 229 worth of XRP, and this XRP is worth $100 on Binance. Okay, so we have sent it to Bybit, and then it's just confirming right now and stuff like that, and then we're gonna jump right into Bybit crypto exchange, and then that's where we're gonna sell XRP at higher price and make profit. Okay, so XRP is very, very, very fast, and it's cheap when it comes to transaction fees and stuff like that. It's very, very cheap. Okay, so that's why I'm taking advantage of XRP coin right now as price is going crazy. So if you really enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're really helping the channel as well. And if you really want to take your trading career to another level, then I recommend you to try out our tools right here. We have Heavy Crypto Indicator. It's still on discount. We're celebrating 1,000 subscribers, and we dropped the price from $100 to $60, and it's gonna help you for the rest of your career. Okay, so Heavy Crypto Indicator is a simple indicator that tells you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. And if you want to know more about this indicator, well, I made a lot of videos about this indicator. I'll leave a link in the description below about this indicator and the link to this indicator. Okay, it's only gonna cost you $60, and you're gonna use it for the rest of your life. As you can see, we have a lot of testimonies because of this indicator, here's me making 100% of trades because of heavy crypto indicator. As you can see, people killing it and stuff like that. So heavy crypto indicator is a really good indicator, and moreover, you're gonna join the VIP. The VIP is where we post our trades. We share our trade ideas, our entries, and stuff like that. Okay, so it's a VIP group. It's for only students from heavy crypto channel and people who purchase heavy crypto indicator. The VIP is for those only. You join the VIP group once you get the heavy crypto indicator. All right, so going back to our main topic right here, the withdrawal is done. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead to Bybit right here. So we bought XRP from Binance at this price, 0.43 USDT. Okay, and right now we're gonna have to sell it on Bybit at a higher price, and we're gonna sell it at 0.46 USDT. Okay, so in this case we're making a profit of at least 6% or so. So right now, since I've already sent the XRP to Bybit, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell it there at higher price, and I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know. I'm gonna show you the fees, how much I'm spending, and all that good stuff. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and click where it's written trade. Okay, right here. So right here you can see that if I go ahead and click where it's written sell like this, you can see that I have 229, the amount that I bought from Binance. Okay, right now I'm gonna sell it on Bybit at higher price, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spend all of it like this, and you can see that right now this amount of XRP is worth 106 USD. Okay, so in this case we made a profit of $6 per trade. All right, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can repeat this process and make passive income daily by doing this process. Okay, so in this case we're making $6 per trade with a capital of 100 US dollars. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a limits order like this because I don't want to use market order because of fees and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spend all of it like this, and right now it's 107 USD. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spend like this and click sell. Okay, so right here it says my order has been successfully submitted, so I'm just waiting for it to be filled, and boom, it's done already. So we have sold at higher price, we have made a profit of $7 per trade. Okay, so this is how arbitrage is done. So right now you know that we have at least 107 US dollars in our wallet, so we want to repeat the process. I'm just gonna go ahead and click where it's written withdraw right here. Okay, for you to withdraw this you need to use TRC 20 USD. Okay, and if you really want to take your trading career to another level, then I suggest you to get one of our tools, Heavy Crypto Indicator. It's going to help you for the rest of your trading career. It's time to transform yourselves from average traders into savage traders. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP after this video. All right, so the link to Bybit, Binance, and all the good stuff going to be in the description below, and the link to Heavy Crypto Indicator as well is going to be in the description below, and I'll see you in VIP. That's where you can be able to contact me, ask me questions, and copy all the trading ideas and stuff like that. And most importantly, you can be able to ask our technical analyst. G-Man is our heavy crypto technical analyst. He's very good trader and stuff like that. You can be able to contact him as well. So this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you into the video. Love and peace, my friends.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take